Hello and welcome back, class 3 in your English class. Today again we are going to take English first, chapter 5. Today we will do the second part of this chapter. Yesterday we finished one exercise and the explanation as well. But today we will do the second part of first exercise. See here given, Pama has written a letter to Alice, her neighbor, but has written the entire letter without using any capitals. So rewrite the letters using capital wherever required. Dear students, in our previous class, we learned that a name of any person or a place or any abbreviation or the name of any particular place, the name of days, months, rivers, mountains, or newspapers, books, planes, trains, ships, holy books, or any first person, when first person, whenever we write them first letter, they are capital, and the first person I, you can use it anywhere in capital letter. Okay, so dear students, today we are going to do the exercise regarding this. See here given 47A, Diamond Harbour Road. So what you will do, this A will become capital, Diamonds D will be capital, Harbors H will be capital, Roads R will be capital. So here it will become 47A, Diamond Harbour Road. See second line, Sapphire apartment. See S is given here small, you will write it in capital form, and apartments A also will be in the capital form. Then Kolkata is correct, then given Kolkata's code number. Here 2nd January 2020, or year you can mention any. Whenever you will write a letter, you can mention the year. So in this way you will do this. Let's go to the next page. See here, I have changed a few letters. They were given in the small form, and I mentioned them in a capital form. See, dear Alice. Dear's D will be capital, and Alice is a name, so first letter of this word is also capital. Will be capital. Then thank you. Thanks T, you can see mentioned small. You can make it capital. Thank you for the delicious sandwiches you were packed for my train. I, here I given small, you can write it capital, because from here onwards we are going to start a new sentence now. I reached Goa. Goa's G will be capital. In the evening, here again given Christmas carol were being played. Christmas C for this Christmas will be capital. Then I got off the Konkan Express. Now so I here also will become capital. Konkan's K, Express E will be capital. With the wonderful feeling of Christmas just around the corner. So with W and Christmas C, and again I will become capital. I hired a taxi and set off for Panji, the capital. Panji is the capital of Goa. So here you will change the P into capital. Okay, let's do the next. Now see students, the driver knew the address I gave him. Here T of the driver, T of this sentence will be capital. So T, the driver knew the address I gave him. This O will be capital, P will be capital, S will be capital. Na? Then cottage number 7, full stop. Here auntie's A will be the capital form. Auntie Salma, Salma's S will be capital, was waiting for me as I paid the taxi driver and entered her little cottage named Blessings. Here Blessings B also will be capital, because it is the name given to a cottage. Yeah? Okay. So she gave me a beer hug and after I had freshened up, she led me to the dining table. Full stop. Then foods, F will be capital. Food. What delicious food. Roast chicken, baked potatoes, fresh vegetables, mountains of freshly baked bread, and a huge Christmas cake. Christmas का C भी capital. I slept like a baby. I will be capital. Such was my welcome to Goa. Such as capital. Love. Pama's P will be capital. See my dear students, I have done it in the book, but you have to do it in the notebook. Okay. Exercise 1. Rewrite in your notebook. Okay. Then let's go to the second one. See here. Using the calendar, find out on which day of the week following festival will take place this year. Remember to begin the name of each festival and day with a capital letter. So this is an activity for you. You have to write the day from the calendar on which day this festival falls. Okay, and mentioned here, remember to begin the name of each festival and day with a capital letter. हर एक फेस्टिवल का और जिस दिन वो फेस्टिवल है उस दिन का नाम जो है आपको कैपिटल लेटर से स्टार्ट करना है. आप देखिए यहाँ पे जैसे रिपब्लिक डे लिखा है, तो ये रिपब्लिक डे कैसे होगा? रिपब्लिक डे ना, और किस दिन होगा उस दिन आप अपनी नोटबुक में मेंशन करोगे इस डे के साथ. यू विल मेक ए कॉलम, यू विल पार्टी of the paper. To one side you will write the name of these days and another side you will write the name of the day, okay, or these festivals. Let's do third exercise. Use capitals to begin the following names. See here, Rabindranath Tagore, Jawaharlal Nehru, Guru Nanak, Prophet Muhammad, Jesus Christ, Mr. and Mrs. Modi, Lord Rama, Buddha, Mahavira, Mahatma Gandhi. So see, all these words are proper noun. Na? All these names are proper noun because they are the name of a particular person. Now, so what you will do, you will make first letter this one and first letter of this surname. You will change them into capital and then rewrite them in your notebook. Get that? Here also this exercise also you will do the same. You will make 2 columns in one paper, in one page of your copy, and one side you will write these names and another side you can write the right one answer. Okay, so do these 3 activities.